Seb's here from Junk Car Conversions. So today we're going to be unboxing my new exhaust setup for my 1997 Honda Civic hatchback. So my exhaust is the Apexi WS2 muffler, and then I also went with, it's called True Bends on eBay. So they pre-cut all the piping you need for your exhaust, and you just have to bring it to a muffler shop or weld it yourself and just assemble it. And today I'm just gonna unbox, just kind of show you what's inside here, and yeah. So inside the package came your 3 pipes. This is the pipe, your straight mid pipe, and then you have your pipe that connects there and comes back to your axle back. Your axle back will start here. This needs to be welded on to our WS2 muffler just right here, and then we'll hang our tip from the other side. And then so inside includes all of our mounting brackets that we'll need to weld up, and then you kind of just attach here we have just kind of where we weld this onto the end and bolt up to the other side. We have a gasket and some hardware as well. So the quality of tubing that I went with here is 304 stainless steel tubing. It's nice and good quality here. It's the most expensive option that True Bends adds, and this is supposed to last you like 10-15 years plus of just being a good solid exhaust. Obviously you have to do the weld yourself, and that can be done at a muffler shop if you so choose, but today we're going to mount it up, tack weld it, and then we'll probably take it to a shop from there. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to be dropping the car off at Midas to do the new exhaust, and before that happens, I'll show you guys just what the stock exhaust sounds like. We'll do a cold start, a couple flybys, and then we'll skip to the exhaust getting put on at Midas, and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like after. Okay, so I'm going to set you guys down just behind the car here. We'll do a little quick cold start. I'm just going to set you guys up right here, and then let's get a quick shot of what it sounds like. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty quiet right now, nothing special about it, but yeah, we'll cut to a couple clips of me doing a couple drive-bys, and yeah. Wow, very cool, hey? Hey guys, what's up? So the exhaust just finished. It's been a couple days. I dropped it off, I don't know, maybe 2-3 days ago. I forgot to tell you guys, I put a header in there actually, aftermarket header. Then with the exhaust, I have no idea what it's gonna sound like at all. Pretty excited though, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it sounds like, and we'll go to Midas here together, and yeah. Hey guys, so the exhaust is on now. I'll do a quick cold start and a couple passes again. I'll show you exactly what it looks like here. So this is that Apexi 2 World Sport. Actually looks pretty sick, not even gonna lie. It's pretty nice. I'll set you guys up for the cold start, and then yeah.
Ollie, look. You ready? Are you ready? Come here, come a little closer. Ollie, what do you think about that? Ollie, do you like that? I don't think he likes it.
Alright, so that's pretty much the exhaust. I think it's pretty sweet. It's a little ricey, not gonna lie. But for what it is, it's pretty good. I didn't spend too much money on it. The install is a little expensive, but if you can do your own welding, then I think you'll be fine. But I think it looks pretty good. Alright, well, I think that's gonna be everything for today. Thanks for watching the whole exhaust and following everything along. I wish I could have showed you more, but I dropped it off at Midas and had them do it. But yeah, I showed you guys some sound clips, what it looked like. And this is Oliver saying goodbye. Right, mister?